In front of me is LENOVO Tab P11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can enable suggestion strip at the top of your Gboard. Begin by opening Devices Settings. Following that, scroll all the way down and click on System. Now select On-Screen Keyboard, Gboard, and finally Text Correction. Over here, use gray switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip to activate it. When you finished, just go back. As you can see, mine was successfully enabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!